Yo guys, what is up? How you guys doing today? So I have another Unturned update for you guys, and that's 3.13.3.1. And this update is the Halloween update. Yes, the one that we've all been waiting for. This is actually a pretty big update. It has a lot of additions, improvements, tweaks, and fixes. Hopefully we can go ahead and get over them all. But yeah, one of the main things is that when you click play, and let's go ahead and go to single player. I don't know if there's any multiplayer ones. There might be. Let's go ahead and go in single player, and there we go. We got the Halloween PEI map. Let's go for it. Here we go. Click and play. Alright, so this is my first time actually getting on this map also, but I'm going to go ahead and try and show you guys everything at the same time. So as you can see, the little island over there in the middle where the prison's at is all dead trees. There's just dead trees everywhere. It actually changes the whole entire atmosphere of this game actually. So yeah, there's going to be a lot to go over, so I'm going to go ahead and get everything set up, and I'll see you guys then. Alrighty guys, I am back, and let's go ahead and get to the first thing on the additions list, and that is basically the new updated skill level / stat bonus information and names for, you know, your skills menu. So of course if we press tab, we go over here to the skill. Oh, whoops, I was already on skills. Okay, so we're on the skills here, and as you see, there's a lot more information instead of just showing right here the little description. Now it shows what percentage of damage you're gonna do. So let's say for overkill, you know, it's your melee damage, and then for all the rest, you know, it's gonna have their percentage for their certain like skill values, which is the accuracy for a sharpshooter, and then dexterity, hammer speed, and etc. and so on. And also everything has been split up between all these tabs. I think that is right. Yeah, I think they have all been split up because some of the skills actually did way too many things. I may be wrong, I may be right. Correct me if I am wrong. You know, I can't be right at everything. So, yeah, that is that. So, let's go ahead and get on to the next thing, and that is the pumpkin seed, which the pumpkin seed ID for that is 1045, which is 1045. And yeah, I do not have it in my hand because I accidentally planted it earlier. So here it is, and once that is planted, you can actually get a pumpkin out of it, of course, since it's, you know, a plant. And then once you get the pumpkin, you basically just eat it, and it should refill your, possibly your health, and for sure it refills your food and your thirst. So it fills both of those up. And then also you got the pumpkin pie, which also does the same exact effects as, you know, the pumpkin. So yeah, that's that, but I think it covers more food for the pumpkin pie possibly. And also there's a new hockey mask, which the ID for that is 1048, and that is right here. Nice hockey mask, looking nice. Alright, so let's go ahead and get to third person just to see it a little bit better. So there you go, there's that hockey mask. Wonder if I can change it. Whoops. There we go, looking nice now. Nice hockey mask right there with my mustache sticking out. Alrighty, so that's that for the hockey mask. And also there's a jack-o'-lantern torch. I do not think I have that right now. Torch, the ID for that is 1049. Sorry, I didn't actually think about that before starting this video. So let me just go ahead and give it to myself right now. And oh, I guess that's, oh, jack-o'-lantern, of course, that's the jack-o'-lantern, it's right here. I already put it down anyways. Let's go ahead and set this down right next to it. Yeah, I just had read it wrong, so I thought it was like an actual torch, you know. I wasn't thinking right. I don't know what's wrong with me. Anyways, there's also a new unwrappable Halloween gift present drop. And also there is Halloween themed cosmetics and skins, carbon fiber and chrome plated mystery box drops, various rare, epic, legendary, and mythical skins, uncommon harvest and shoreline drops, more skills to split up all the skills that did too many things. So yeah, that's what I just showed you in the skills menu over here with all these different tabs and such. And also there is all weapon attachment source files instead of just model_0.fbx. So those of you who, you know, edit the models, you know, you got that stuff over there. So anyways, let's go ahead and get onto the improvements. If I can go ahead and scroll down on this page. And of course I am reading all these all the update notes on another page because, you know, it's not like I can know all this just, you know, off my head. So anyways, some of the improvements were improved eagle fire / honey badger models, improved tree handling of missing asset, improved emissive rainbow shader, bow tie color blending, and improved separation between networking and game specific a bit game specific code a bit more. Sorry, just couldn't get that out there. And also, I think the improved tree handling part of the missing asset, I think that may be when your trees disappear, because that has happened to me before. Maybe right, maybe wrong. Like I said, just correct me if I am wrong. So yeah, anyways, let's go in and get onto the tweaks. And the tweaks are tweak stats of most of the skills, tweak rate of zombie collisions on server, Viper to use civilian ammunition, jump, climbing trees to work again. So I think you can actually get on the side of these trees. I think I have no idea. You might have to have the graphics down a bit. No, I do not think you can actually do that. You were able to do that in like a couple updates ago, maybe like a month ago, probably somewhere around there. So anyways, there is the saw to be creatable from 2 sheets of metal, Steamworks API warning to show in logs, asset data loading errors to show in logs. So if your Unturneds have any problems like crashing and stuff, it will show in the logs this time if it hasn't before. Also, there's minimum network update register distance, in-game update notes to show update section. And I think last but not least, for these for just all the update fixes and such, that is right here. And the fixes are fix floating docks on PEI, duplicate grass above Pirate Cave, disconnect branch on Maple Tree, Viper Iron Sights material, Hawkhound Iron Sights material, Schofield Iron Sights material, grass and tunnel on PEI, Horde purchase node text and item name, submerged chairs in Stratford Fire Station, hockey net collision on back, Timberwolf chamber UV layout, Viper side rail base texture, Maple Strike handle UV layout, jumping up sides of civilian tents, rocket iron sights, pixel bleed on Avenger base texture, resetting moon cycle after leaving during anomaly and rejoining, movement input on loading screen, saving filter / mode to cloud, case where item icon list could cause a crash when attaching some specific sites, multicam Cobra / Avenger showing up as forest. And that is that for the fixes. And also the Steam economy. The red and blue mystery boxes have been removed from the drop list, meaning that there is a limited supply of all the items inside. While playing, you might find the carbon, fiber, or chrome plated mystery boxes. Also, for multiplayer, the multiplayer code is now a bit cleaner and some new movement related code was added. And multiplayer, anything that moves should now appear much smoother. And yeah, that is that for the the update notes. So anyways, yeah, that is about it, guys, and I'll go ahead and show you guys around a bit. I may or may not play a little cinematic, but if I do, let's go ahead and get right into it right now.